The Shores in Potter Green, Lewis Estates. Welcome to this lovely half duplex in a plus 45 adult complex. The Shores complex has a reputation for excellence for quality design, construction, and property management. Nestled in Lewis Estates next to a beautiful park, ice rink, trails, and close to the Lewis Estates golf course. This immaculate home features luxurious granite countertops. This home has been freshly painted and also has new upgraded stainless steel appliances. The carpet was recently redone, and the gourmet kitchen also has a cute glass backsplash. New light fixtures throughout and custom window coverings complete the package. Relax in the heat of the summer with the new air conditioning and in the cold of the winter with the new furnace. Other features include a double attached garage with a drain and a gas barbecue deck hookup. This is a perfect 2-bedroom, 3 full bathrooms, and has a fully finished basement with custom oak cabinetry throughout. Open, airy, 2 gas fireplaces. It's perfect for entertaining or for just relaxing in. There is even a Murphy bed in the huge rumpus room in the basement. This has an exceptional value and will not last long, as this is sought after and well managed complex with a lovely fire pit and park area, and some of the units are even on the golf course. Look no further. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX, 780-297-3132.